Test, test, test. Yeah, we're live. Test, test, test. Got some good ambient music playing in the background, which I like. Gonna start with the leak code and then work on my game a bit. Just the daily leak code, which I've not seen this yet. What is it saying? Fires by J. JTech. This one 0 is like 1 take 4. Pair 1 2 is bad person. Oh, okay. So it's if the distance between two indexes equals the difference between the numbers. um, can't brute force it because nums is quite long. This is kind of hard to picture. I want to just get an array of integers with their indexes. And then I guess if the difference between n and I is a certain amount, then the difference between another n and I that difference is equal as well, then it will be a bad pair, I think. So I'm just gonna do some crap and see what happens. So just go like that. And then we'll get a set of these. And each eye that we come across eyes over. Eyes of J, it doesn't matter what order actually. Just go. This could be complete crap. We'll see. Yep. Oh, what am I doing? I'm leaping over the wrong bloody thing here. Yeah, I thought so. It's just crap. Oh wait, JR does not equal not okay. I think I just got the answer flipped. Might need to make a count map here. Let's see. Count plus equals C. This could be off. I'm not really caring how accurate it is. Let's see if I'm correlating it. Okay, it got the reverse answer. 8, 9, 10, take 5 is 5. 5, 10, 15 to 15 is 0. So I just need the factorial. Which I don't know if there's a function to do this, so I'm just going to have to calculate this myself. Do that. Okay, let's try this. Alright, let's submit and see what happens. Yeah, we did it! So, it's a confusing description of the problem here, but you're comparing two indexes with values at those indexes, which is kind of equivalent to comparing one index with its value versus the other index with its value, which is what I'm doing in this first step. And for every occurrence of a index versus value will be a good pair. Every time there's a good pair, it's going to increase the number of good pairs. So there'll be one good pair, then if there's another, there'll be 2 more good pairs, and then 3 more good pairs, and they'll kind of add up like this with the possible positions. But we want the bad pairs, so we subtract the total number of pairs. From that we subtract the good pairs that we counted. Wonder if that was... Wait, how do you check? How do you check what other people did again? Here we go. What's the top solution? Yeah, so it's a similar thing that this top one is doing the index versus its value, and it's tallying up those counts from a map. But what's this n? Oh, that's that's just a better way of doing the total number of pairs. I did a crappy way. Alright, time for my puzzle programming. So where was I? Let's minimize this crap. Let's see where I was. This might be loud, watch out. Don't remember getting all these warnings last time. this could be loud. Oh no, it's not. So, let's work on the level select screen. Okay, that's so I have a menu. I'm just displaying some doors. I think I wanted levels to be locked firstly, and you need to unlock a row. You can unlock a row of levels for a certain amount of levels beaten. And I need to do, before that I need to allow this menu to scroll down. There's more levels below here, you just can't see them. I keep pressing the down arrow, it's gonna scroll down to them, but I need to allow it to scroll. Oh, which I actually have as a to-do here. So, menu items, say if the cursor is an integer, right? Yep. If it's in range, no, why am I, this should be a checking the range. Oh, okay. Should make this a reference, actually. Don't know why I wasn't doing that before. It is all calculating what menu item to navigate to based on the arrow keys. I'm just checking X and Y positions because I can't be bothered doing any sort of overhead with that. So let's go. Say if the item's Y position is out of bounds. This is going to be a bit of a crappy hack, actually. Don't think I have a constant for the screen height anywhere, except in the main function. Oh, might have one for graphics. Let's have a look. Yeah, I have a set width and height for the game because it's just easier. So, game graphics. Do I have get width and height? Oh yeah, I do. It's not as awful as I thought. So, save the Y, that's menu spacing, so Okay, that's the absolute X and Y. So we'll go item Y is above the height of the graphics. Y is above the height of the graphics. Should be above equal actually. So going from 0 here. And I won't really worry about the height yet. So the height of a menu item is char size. Oh no, we will. So we'll go item is out of bounds. Scroll everything down. Up or down. By a certain amount. Out of bounds, down. Item is out of bounds up. Scroll everything up. Just do two different stuff. It's gonna be really dumb. I'm just probably could add a global Y scroll variable, or just scroll everything up and down. Oh god. I think my draw functions take care of things if they're out of bounds, and we'll stop drawing them, so I don't think I need to worry about that logic here. Oh no. Let's make it a, probably want a scroll height, which allows these to scroll by the heights, but let's just see what happens anyway. Should at least make a function to do this. Let's move in direction. I've already done this, okay. This is gonna be bad. So we're going to scroll everything up. Here we're going to scroll it, sorry, everything down. Here scroll everything up. this comment's wrong. Oh dear. Ignore the background as well. I'm just scrolling. The stuff behind is actually not part of the menu. I'm doing that separately. Oh, because the Y is actually negative. Forgot that I'm actually changing that. Yeah. So I need to fix this. I'm just scrolling it into the bare minimum view. Obviously needs some parameter which controls the which makes the scroll behave. Should I do that? Could probably just make it from top. Definitely want a scroll variable, because just scrolling every menu item up and down is a bit dumb. Whoops. And we'll go int and just make everything ints in this. Scroll Y scroll by dy. Let's make a little setter for that. So we'll go set scroll y dy. Alright. So firstly scroll y dy is 0. We want to use some default value instead. Can probably do a getter for that, and the minimum scroll by dy. Actually, if it's off, we should just scroll to the item. If it's set, then we know the menu's following some convention that we've set for it. So scroll by dy. Void menu move in direction, we just have scroll Y now, so probably don't need this crappy function anymore. Remove that. Draw. What we're just going to do is, what am I guess I would do that. Need to draw everything. The dy. Let's see what happens. Up because item Y is static now actually. Yeah, this actually should probably be this. Child size, okay, height. Then we want to don't know if this will work, but we'll see. Yep, down works, but still got to fix up scrolling, so if I'm Y is below scroll Y, then scroll Y. I'm going to scroll. Let's just see if it does it in the first place. it's just not scrolling at all. How is this not working? Should be scroll Y plus item Y is what, 0? Which is equivalent to this. No. Oh no. So item Y take scroll Y below 0. God, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing. So scroll Y. Oh, I guess this is negative. Oh. Kinda want it to be positive. Oh no, but this will mess up. Oops. So, item Y is blue. Scroll Y plus equal to item Y. Bit of difference. keep shuffling it around till I get it. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, let's do this because it looks neater. What a disaster. Okay, so scroll by dy. So if this is not 0, well, actually, oops. Too done. Scroll everything down. Let's scroll everything down. Can I simplify this? Whatever. So, in our level select screen, let's set this to a random value and see what happens. Oh my god, I got the value correct first time. It's not like a yes. Get mini x, mini spacing, px. These should all be constants, which I'm importing, but whatever. This actually will be equivalent to this. Go scroll in blocks. Now we just need to detect when a scroll occurs because we need to re-render the background because I'm drawing a bunch on the background because I'm a bit dumb. The rendering is mostly software rendering. Because it's really simple pixel graphics, and most of the stuff can just be rendered in the background anyway. And plus things like the water physics here, like quite a bit of the software is using the texture anyway. So I may as well just draw at the same place as I get pixel values. Like all the water bouncing around. Plus, if it's software rendering, I will probably be able to port this easier to various things like Android and stuff. So when the user scrolls, I just need to clear the background and re-render it, which I don't know how to do. I could just poll it, I guess. Or like do a scrolling action, which is different to the update action. Right, let's have a look in here. So we have the menu select action here. We could probably just do a, what am I doing? Check for menu scrolling. We'll go like auto scroll Y, which but it's all in the update function. Let's go check for menu scroll. Scroll Y will be D. We'll go DY. Do a change in scroll. And wait, how are we drawing this? Get menu X, get menu Y. So don't worry about that. The draw levels. So this Y position, we just set the offset. Okay, that's fine. Do we do scroll Y or a scroll DY then? Let's do a scroll DY. So otherwise we can't tell if a scroll's actually happened, if it's an absolute scroll. So we'll go int last scroll wide do a getter getter for it. Good. Scroll. Why aren't we just calling it dy? I don't know. And what we'll do is, in the menu update function, we'll just go reset scroll dy, and if the user scrolls, then we update it. Update scroll if a scroll occurred. Get scroll direction. Don't even need an if statement here. To go update scroll. In a nice area of its own. So there's a last scroll dy, then we can re-render everything. Clear the background. Which draw this background. In fact, let's do this. Here. Clear background. Pass in our engine. And is it if there is a scroll, re-render all the background. Stuff. Change this to const. Why not? Oh yeah, I forgot to add the Y offset to this stuff. If I was really cool, I could do this. There we go. add some random consts in there. Const separate int const, maybe some const expression. No, just kidding. Put it here. So, draw levels of background, we just need to add the scroll Y, which I guess we can just do as another property on the outside here. So, whoops. Where's my constructor? Oops. Need to start consting stuff. Otherwise I don't know if things are getting mutated or not. Compiling. Oops. Let's scroll dy, let's scroll dy. So, what am I doing now? Yeah, it's updating it. Oh. Silly me. Forgot to add the scroll to my own scroll. Oof. It's working. The only problem is scrolling here. There's not a certain number of levels there. Scrolling into the void. It's actually level 20 here. Or at least it works. So I guess the next thing I want to do is to the locked levels. Lock the levels if there's if they haven't passed a certain amount of levels. No, I've been streaming for 1 hour. Oh, we could do it. Let's go. Int get. Oh, we can make it usize. Sorry, that's Rust, not C++. Level ID is, see an index. Got an int here. Okay, menu X and what? going to be doing size T's. It's going to be more size T's now. So size T, get number of unlocked levels. And we'll go T past levels. And we'll need to work out some kind of value here. Whoops. So why? Oh, can I be bothered changing it to a for loop? Oh, and I'm one indexing it too, because I'm leaving the index at 0. I'm leaving for the home home menu item. All right. It's gonna be a bit different. Level ID. I may as well do a for loop. Let's do that. Let's make sure I haven't messed anything up first. Whoops. Already have. So we'll just go firstly, how do I work out how many levels are passed? Oh, like this. Easy. Get past level count. Could go like this. If we're really pedantic. I think it's got that. But who cares? So get past level count. me just check this actually. Okay, it's having some carriage return issues earlier. So draw levels to background. Let's go. Get number of unlocked levels. Get. Oh, it's pretty self-explanatory. Unlocked level count. Check if level is locked. Let's just set it to 8. And say if the level is locked, let's just not draw the door. As a test. Ah. Man, this compiling. I need to switch to the VS Code NMake. It's probably be a lot faster than this because it's more native. Alright, so we have 8 levels unlocked. Should probably stop at 7. What about like these these first 7 could be like tutorial levels or something. So I've actually got this the wrong way around. This should be is unlocked. Yeah. So first 8 levels are unlocked. Ignore that. I'll make it the first 7. No. Let's go past levels times 8. Times 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First 7 levels. 8 plus 1 times 8. Take 1. So it'll be there's 7 levels. Zero, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do they have to pass before they unlock the next row? Probably just 4 levels. Four, maybe. So it can be fun. If people get stuck on max 4 levels, is that normal for games? I think that's enough. Because this is tutorial land. They are missing a level, so it might not line up very nicely. Let's just put this in a script. So it's 3 unlocked levels. So 0, 1, 2, 3 levels passed, 4. Well, that's already impossible. I think this here plus 2. 0, 1, 2, 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. They pass another, it should unlock the next row. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'll do that. So divide 4 plus 2 times 4, take 1. Oops. So I got 2 levels passed at the moment. 3 and 4 can actually access these levels. You can pass some more fake levels. One, two, three. So once they pass 4, so I've just passed 4 levels, they unlock another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So they pass then I guess they need to pass any of these 4 and then they unlock the next row. Is that too many levels at once unlocked? Because if levels jump in difficulty a lot. That's gonna be annoying. No, wait, pause that. Oh, true. I also want to unlock levels in batches because it's good progress. Having a lot of levels unlocked at once is more exciting than unlocking one at a time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, I think this will be good. Okay. Just need to make a need to make it look cool when the level is locked versus unlocked. Right, let's clear save. Could also have 1, 2, 3. Oh no, this is good. Okay. Yeah, just the door missing is not bad actually. Could add like a grey outline of a door. With a padlock symbol on it. And solve this scroll problem too. Maybe if they scroll... Maybe if there's no item underneath, I could just set it to the last item. This test level is crap. Whoa, what happened then? Oh, it's starting on level 20. Yeah, I'm not scrolling down to the item when the menu first appears. So I actually need to solve that. Is level menu. I set it to the last level they played. So I need to scroll cursor into view. Some kind of helper function here. Scroll DY, scroll into view. because the items selected item is visible by scrolling it into view. Oops. Which we might be able to just copy all this over. Which we need to get the scroll DY here as well. So it has to actually return something. It So I'm going to reset scroll here as well, because we're clearing it. No, we're not. Clear just removes the items. It doesn't actually scroll it. Yeah, that would be too annoying. So, go scroll into view. Pardon me. Oops. Check for a current item. No item. Get scroll direction. Update scroll. But we need to do we could do a while loop. No, we don't actually, sorry. Just the chunk to scroll, we need to scroll by more than one chunk in some cases. Scroll D1. Scroll into view. We don't actually need to set this because we're handling it. On the outside, scroll D1. Check Check for a scroll. Yeah, that should be good. Or I could just probably call this all in every update. Just auto scroll in so there's less overhead. I don't know. It's not going to scroll by more than one chunk at the moment, but we'll just see if it can do that one anyway. Oops. Might I just pass the height? Whoops. Int. Game height. No, it's going to be easier to pass the game. Okay, so 12. It's the last level played. Okay, that's scrolling. That's scrolling in properly. But 16 should only, it shouldn't, yeah. Because I'm not doing more than one chunk. Yeah, this would be a lot easier if I was just rendering everything. Wouldn't need to be polling the scroll. Oh well. This crap. Get scroll DY. Okay. That's fine. So there's an init. And I'm guessing if I reset the scene as well, it's gonna keep the scroll. I'll just check that actually. Yep. So that's fine. So here I just need to could just do a while loop. That'll be a bit silly, I think. Should really just make a value for this. I think it's gonna have to be a positive number too. But we'll just check. Yeah. Oh dear. That is... I'm dividing it in the complete wrong order. Oh my god. What am I doing? Alright, so it's level... There, it's working. It's very good. It's working. I think there's an easier way than this crap. Big negative number. Even 1 might work. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't. Sorry about that. So it is the just trying to work out what I've actually done here. It's the total amount plus some scroll. And then rounded. Oh, is it gonna last? Is it gonna break if this perfectly aligns with this? Maybe. Like, does this need a +1? So it might over scroll. I know how I can check. Just set this to 16. Yeah, see it's something to add +1. Plus adding. I don't know, I'm probably just going to work this out later. It works in this case, but I don't know. Ew. To do check math. Cool, I think that's going to be it for today. Go level menu scroll stuff.